Newsletter, Al-Mawrid US. March 2026. Ghamidi Center's Ramadan Transmission. Under the auspices of the Ghamidi Center, a special Ramadan transmission has been organized during the blessed month of Ramadan. The transmission features programs on a variety of religious, ethical, and educational themes. These programs are presented by Javed Ahmed Ghamidi and several of his students. Most topics revolve around Ramadan and the worship of fasting. Recordings of all broadcasts are available on the center's YouTube channel. Al-Bayan. As part of the Ramadan transmission, a program titled Al-Bayan is being broadcast, featuring recitation of the Quran along with Javed Ahmed Ghamidi's Urdu translation. The translation is rendered by Shah Nawaz, while the Quranic recitation is performed by Mishari Rashid Al-Afaizi. One episode is released daily on the Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. Virtues and Rulings of Fasting. During Ramadan, recorded lectures on prophetic traditions under the title, Virtues and Rulings of Fasting, are being aired on the Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. In these sessions, Javed Ahmed Ghamidi discusses the merits and legal rulings of fasting, including missed fasts, fasting while traveling, and various juristic issues related to fasting. Recordings are available on the Ghamidi Center's YouTube channel. Audio version of Maulana Maududi's Quranic translation. The renowned Quranic translation by the eminent scholar, thinker, exegete, and founder of Jamiat Islami, Sayyid Abul Maududi, is being released serially in audio form on the center's YouTube channel. The translation has been recorded in the voice of Mr. Arshad Mahmood. During Ramadan, one section is presented daily. All episodes are archived on the channel. Live question and answer sessions with Ghamidi Center scholars. The center has organized several live question and answer sessions during Ramadan, allowing participants to ask religious, ethical, and Ramadan-related jurisprudential questions. The first session was held on February 20th with Dr. Irfan Shahzad, who responded to questions via Zoom. The recording is available on the center's YouTube channel. Ramadan and the Quran, Selected Surahs. Dr. Khalid Zahir presents a daily short program titled Ramadan and the Quran, Selected Surahs. The aim is to highlight the spiritual blessings of Ramadan through selected Quranic passages and communicate their message in an accessible manner. Episodes are available on the center's YouTube channel. Afkari Ghamidi. Sayyid Manzoor Al-Hassan's weekly YouTube program Afkari Ghamidi serves as an important medium for presenting Javed Ahmed Ghamidi's ideas in simple language. Topics discussed in February 2026 included: what is the purpose of fasting? How does fasting produce taqwa? Ghamidi's advice: cultivate moral courage for truth. The real issue of religion, the hereafter, not this world. Recordings are available on the YouTube channel. Ramadan, a month to become a better human being. Organized by the Ghamidi Center of Islamic Learning, Al-Mawrid US, this special Ramadan program is presented by Muhammad Hassan Elias under the title, Ramadan, a month to become a better human being. Broadcast every Monday and Friday throughout Ramadan, the program aims to familiarize viewers with the true moral and spiritual demands of religion. Episodes are available online. Dialogue Series. A special Ramadan dialogue series features discussions between Dr. Amir Gazder and Mr. Shamsuddin Shagri on various Ramadan-related themes. Topics include: the reality and purpose of itikaf, understanding tahajjud, tarawih, and witar, juristic and legal questions related to sohoor and iftar. The objective is to acquaint viewers with both the spirit and legal dimensions of Ramadan practices. Recordings are available online. Abu al-Qasim Muhammad Ahmed, the story of the final prophet's life. As part of the Ramadan transmission, a series introducing the prophet's biography to children and youth has been launched under the title, Abu al-Qasim Muhammad Ahmed, the story of the final prophet's life. Narrated by Mr. Naeem Ahmed Baloch and hosted by the Nel Baloch, one episode is released daily on the center's YouTube channel. Question and answer session with Al-Mawrid India. In February 2026, Muhammad Hassan Elias, Director of Research and Communication at the Ghamidi Center, participated in a live session organized by Al-Mawrid India. The program featured an extensive question and answer discussion on various intellectual and religious topics. The recording is available online. The Quran for Ramadan. Dr. Shahzad Salim's program, The Quran for Ramadan, is broadcast daily in English during Ramadan. The program discusses selected Quranic passages, and recordings are available on the center's YouTube channel. Weekly Quran and Hadith lectures. In February 2026, Javed Ahmed Ghamidi's live Quran and Hadith lessons continued under the center's auspices. Quranic sessions covered verses 3 to 35 of Surah Al-Nur. Key themes discussed in Hadith sessions included the importance of prayer among the companions, abandoning prayer as equivalent to disbelief, encouraging children to pray at age 7, boundaries governing relations during menstruation. Recordings are available online. Istifsar, with Dr. Omar Khan Nasser. In February 2026 sessions of the popular question and answer series Istifsar, key questions included: why would an infinite God be concerned with my actions? Is establishing an Islamic state a religious obligation? What is the legal status of licking fingers after eating? What is the Hanafi ruling on rebellion against the state? Recordings are available on the YouTube channel. Ask Ghamidi. A monthly online session enables participants to seek direct guidance from Javed Ahmed Ghamidi on religious and ethical matters. Questions discussed in February 2026 included: ethics of analyzing states and institutions, whether humans will enter paradise with their current nature, permissibility of investment in national savings institutions, why God requires worship from human beings. Recordings are available online. 5 Ethical Prohibitions. In this article, Syed Manzoor al-Hassan explains, based on Surah Al-Araf, the 5 fundamental ethical prohibitions declared unlawful by the Sharia: sexual immorality, violation of rights, unjust aggression, polytheism, and fabricating lies about God. He argues that all ethical evils mentioned in the Quran and Hadith fall under these categories, and nothing beyond them may be declared intrinsically forbidden. Disciplining a wife: is the addressee the husband or society? In this article published in the February 2026 issue of Islamic US, Muhammad Hassan Elias argues based on Surah Al-Nisa, verse 34, that disciplinary authority in cases of marital discord is addressed exclusively to the husband, not society at large. He maintains that although Quranic address may appear general, the ruling applies specifically to the role mentioned in context. Society's involvement begins only when the matter escalates into public disorder, as referenced in the following verse. Tafi Malathir Series. This scholarly program examines reports attributed to the companions and successors, including explanation and discussion. Hosted by Dr. Syed Modiau Rahman with Dr. Omar Khan Nasser as guest, February sessions covered topics such as Abu Hurairah and Hadith transmission, Israeliyat narratives, companions' exegetically questions to the Prophet, Quranic scholars among the companions. Ask Hassan Elias. On the YouTube channel Muslim Today, Muhammad Hassan Elias addressed questions including ethics and limits of protest, guidelines for gender interaction in Islam, whether Jews claim Ezra as the son of God, the distinction between interest and business profit. Recordings are available online. Variant readings. Dr. Shahzad Salim continues summarizing topics from the 23 Objections video series in English. Last month's episode addressed the subject of variant Quranic readings. Recordings are available online. Hayathi Amin. In this article, Naeem Ahmed Baloch recounts the greatest tragedy in the life of Maulana Amin Ahsan Islahi, the death of his son Abu Salih Islahi in an airplane crash, and highlights the Maulana's remarkable patience and steadfastness. The article also mentions a dream of Mia Tufail Muhammad that helped ease the Maulana's grief. The article was published in last month's issue of Islamic US. Morals and Ethics, Meezan Lecture Series. Dr. Shahzad Salim's Meezan Lecture Series continues to introduce English-speaking audiences to discussions from Mr. Ghamdi's book Meezan. 2 lectures on morals and ethics were recorded in February 2026 and are available online. Ghamdi Center Online Conca. Dr. Moez Amjad conducts weekly spiritual training sessions titled Online Conca, focusing on moral reform and self-purification. Recent discussions addressed. Avoiding negative thoughts and self-blame. Can comfort become a necessity? Should thoughts be stopped or transformed? What is hypnosis? Recordings are available online. Islam Study Circle. Dr. Shahzad Salim organizes a monthly Islam study circle covering religious, ethical, and social topics in light of the Quran and Hadith. Each session consists of 3 parts: Quranic discussion, selected Hadith analysis, and examination of a biblical passage, followed by question and answer. Recordings are available on the YouTube channel. Ilmul Hikmat, with Ghamdi. In February 2026, Javed Ahmed Ghamdi's weekly television program on Dunya News aired 2 episodes on Islam and the state and 1 on the excellence of Ramadan. Questions discussed included: should law in the modern state be independent of morality? Ethical constraints in seeking power. Why is the reward of fasting extraordinary? The wisdom behind fixed numbers in acts of worship. Online private consultation sessions. Dr. Shahzad Salim continues conducting online counseling sessions addressing social and family issues. More than 30 sessions last month focused on parental challenges and psychological and educational concerns of younger generations, offering guidance within ethical and religious boundaries. Issuance of religious opinions. The Ghamdi Center of Islamic Learning, Al-Mawrid US, has become an important platform providing religious guidance on legal applications of Sharia issues worldwide. Numerous opinions regarding marriage, divorce, inheritance, and socio-economic matters were issued last month. These opinions were compiled by Muhammad Hassan Elias in light of Mr. Ghamdi's thought. It is clarified that a fatwa represents a scholarly religious opinion, not a legal or judicial ruling. Teaching Al-Bayan in English. Dr. Shahzad Salim continued teaching Mr. Ghamdi's Quranic commentary Al-Bayan in English, covering Surah Al-Araf, verses 47 to 135, in January 2026. The initiative aims to make the work accessible to English-speaking scholars. Recordings are available online. Ask Dr. Shahzad Salim. A monthly live question and answer session allows participants to ask religious, ethical, and social questions in both Urdu and English. Recordings are available on the Ghamdi Center's YouTube channel.